y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today I am making some orchetti pasta for chicken Alfredo, y'all. Somehow I turned my heat off, but that's okay because it's still hot. They look like little belly buttons, or I'm not sure what else you might want to call them. I have some chicken breasts that I froze and they're in thin single pieces. I'm going to put some Lowry's on there and cook them up. I'm going to do a couple of them. Believe my noodles are done. If I can fit this one in there too, I will. Should have done that first. It's sticking, so I'm gonna turn my heat on. It's already warm, and we'll cook these up. Alright, I haven't gotten my skillet on yet, but we'll get that on. Get this one back on. Put that on low. This one on medium. My noodles are out. Hopefully we like them. I'm gonna throw some butter in, half a stick. This is a quick and easy, one of my favorite meals. Just gonna add some jarred garlic. I don't know how I'm gonna get all this out. Need to turn my heat down as well. Mix this up so my garlic doesn't burn. We're gonna switch places here. Chicken in the back. I like my Alfredo like Olive Gardens. I'm gonna add some flour. I'm not looking at my recipe right this second, so hopefully it's okay. Mix this around. I think I added too much flour, but should be okay. Alright, y'all. For the amount of butter, I added too much flour, I think. So I might add a little more butter real quick. Just manhandled it and took a couple tablespoons off. It's about 6 tablespoons of butter. Get that melted real quick and it'll give everything a chance to cook. This will come together really quickly. I just hope my family will like those orchetti belly button pastas. I tried it and it just doesn't taste how I remember, so we'll see. And I've never had this brand of pasta, but I know people use it. I saw it at the store a while ago and wanted to try it because I remember how I used to like that kind. Alrighty, we're pretty good to go here. Oh, and you want to add nutmeg to your white sauce. Tastes so good. So I'm going to add it to this fat to help bring out the flavors. I think I'll add the milk first. A couple of simple ingredients and you get a delicious sauce. Not really authentic, but incredible. I don't have enough room. Oh, we're pouring it in, I guess. 1 cup of milk. I need to turn my pan off over there, I think. 1.5 cups of milk. 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And the rest of the half. And I don't have Romano, so we're just going to add Parmesan, salt, and pepper, and we're good to go. Incredibly easy and delicious. Let's try to give this chicken a flip. You can't see it very well, but we'll flip it over. I cleaned them up and pounded them out before I froze them. It is so hot right now, y'all. Hopefully it's not too salty. I need salt and pepper in here as well. Salt and black pepper. And I'm gonna microwave some broccoli because I love chicken Alfredo with broccoli. And I have some bread that I made homemade, so I can have whatever bread we choose. We have videos on our channel about all the breads we've made. Lots of recipes, lots of videos. Homemade cooking. We love cooking homemade and eating at home. Eating together. Staying home. I just have a frozen bag here, y'all. We're gonna, even though it's very strange, weird, and you might not like the plastic bit, but I'm going to cook this in there. This is getting nice and thick. As I try to figure out the wattage. I don't cook in here enough to remember. Now I can't find it. 6 or 7 minutes. We'll just do 7 minutes. I'm gonna add the cheese. I have a bag of freshly shaved Parmesan cheese that I shaved already. We need about 1 cup. Nice and thick over here. I'm gonna cut the heat on that and put in some parm. 2 handfuls and some for topping. We'll melt that up and cook everything up. Y'all, it is hotter than a firecracker in here. I saved a little pasta water. I don't think I'll need it. Now I'm ready to serve up my family. Maybe. We're gonna ladle this, y'all. Alright, y'all. Now, I don't know how these noodles are gonna do for my family. They're like this little cup. It's like a little cup, very cute. I mean, they taste better now. Hopefully they all taste good. We're gonna put some noodles in. Hopefully I can get good ones. Yeah, they kind of got destroyed. It's okay, I hope. Sometimes we don't have the best luck with pasta in the cabinet. We're tiny living, y'all. We travel in our trailer and love it. But our pasta definitely takes a toll. All right, I'm gonna get some Alfredo sauce. I added more salt and pepper. I'm gonna sauce it and then combine it. They used to have this noodle at Olive Garden. They no longer do. And I used to get this and it was my favorite. Add some extra on top and I'll slice up the chicken. It's a perfect dinner and meal for a budget. Quick and easy, family friendly, special occasion. It's so delicious. Beautiful. I'll top it with some pepper. And this chicken, y'all. We'll try to lay this on there pretty. Doesn't always work out. Not too bad. Cut up this one. It's a little dark. It's just from the juices on the pan. The fond, I guess. The crispers that stick. I just put in a little water. Get all that off the pan. And it's good to go. It's an amazing dinner that I love. Copycat Olive Garden, especially with the orchetti. The noodles I chose. That chicken is really good. Just Lowry's and pepper, y'all. Really good. And then some of my favorite. This costs extra at Olive Garden. Ooh, yes, please. We're eating good tonight, y'all. So good. Add a little pepper. Add a little salt to this broccoli. Here it is, y'all. Bon appetit. We appreciate y'all for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, consider giving this video a like, letting us know what you think, and subscribing for more. Bon appetit. Happy cooking, y'all. Just lost a chicken. Peace out, y'all. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching, y'all.